On the guards. Atahan nyo muna guards. Kasi na po sa guards.
Tapos di naman kayo naman. Nagawa na idea.
Ingat sa shaper ha. Ingat sa shaper ha. Ingat sa shaper. Hammer southwest please slowly. Kasi everybody. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Give me life first up front. Give me life first up front. Kill that. Ay! Doon kayo northwest. Huwag kayo sa northeast. Doon kayo northwest.
Sa may demon next.
Baka ka ng DPS, ano?
Gawin talaga yun. Nangihirapan talaga kayo.
Okay, good shit.
5 seconds. Spike.
Next demon na.
That is
First demon. Step up. Step up.
Oh, yun.
Tinatamad ako mag-TS eh.
Oh my God, they can engage on the Lord. Kumark yung Ayat. Ayat yung color ng bomb.
Kasi yung
Pag wala. Kasi wala natin. Bakit gusto mo ano? Kasi yung bakit gusto mo mag-flower bowl?
Careful ah.
Ano ka din ba? Southeast ha. Careful southeast.
Just chill. Ingat sa shaper ha. Huwag muna sa Come northeast. Dito kayo northeast. May tanks watch west.
Left.
Isa lang.
Chill. Ingat sa ano? Ingat sa...
Shaper stacking Lord Home.
Come north muna. Yan yung
Iba
shaper.
init nila. Mainit.
Kiss on the boys in the guard. Everybody come southwest. Slowly. Come southwest slowly.
Hindi mo lang natin Monsoon guards, bro. Hindi ba matay sa Kiss and Double super fast?
Di mamamatay.
May demon next ha.
Kinakain ako ng ano boys.
Na.
Thank you.
Kiss on the boys lang. Kiss on the
Take
boys
away
in the
from
guard.
the wall. Boy.
Tapos natin, Figa.
Ano to?
Bakit ito nakagitna tayo?
Sige lang. May notice. Ready?
Careful. Shaper.
Left nyo lang.
Yo, I told you may demon next. What the fuck? Kailangan demon strike. Labas ka muna. Wala kang demon.
Come southeast. Okay, come southeast. Nandun yung Fika. Come southeast. Ito kayo southeast. Unchill. Go north banda. Okay dyan sa ano. Okay dyan sa southwest.
Seconds demon na. 7-7. Careful.
Engaging sila. Stop.
Demon 1, your next demon ha. Demon 1, next demon 1.
Hold up. Kill that. Nice one. 10 seconds, Spike.
Demon 1, you're up ha.
Nasa southwest na natin sila. Southwest na.
Come southwest.
Credit spike. Southwest page na sila.
Shaper stacking.
Come southwest. Ingat sa shaper.
Balik ulit. Nasa gitna sila.
Gitna lang.
Come south.
Careful. Demon 1, let's go.
Come south. In.
Pwede ko yung setup. Pwede ko yung
Shallow.
setup.
Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on distance. Wala din natin na patay caller.
Kay demon ha.
Spread northwest lang. They're looking to engage. Just spread northwest. Spread. Just keep spreading, boys. Keep spreading. Ditang sold them. Dap.
5 seconds, 5. 5 seconds, 5.
Southwest. Oh, never mind. Southwest, Micron. 5. Stop them, please. Shallow lang. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. On the guys. Shoot.
Piga.
Heal me.
Pail kay Arzen guys.
Me. Come north.
Come northeast. Come back side.
Northeast ka muna, Arjan. Northeast ka muna.
Namatay yung RP ko. Never mind. Wala tayo isang...
Demon 1, you're up ha. Demon 1, you're next.
Come southeast.
Tayo lang.
Wala akong mana.
Pwede ko yung setup tong Pika sa'yo. Gusto mo?
Pwede naman.
Ito na, GA ko. Malaki GA ko dyan, southeast.
Southeast. Deep 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Deep. Give me life first up front.
Care. They're looking. They're gonna look.
Come northwest. Be careful. Dap. Pass.
Shallow baby.
Nice one. Good shit. Heal. Keep healing. Just heal. Heal, just.
Militant sun.
Come south. Walking.
Na-flank yung ano ha.
Walking southwest.
GA ko. Malaki GA ko, southwest.
Shaper. East side.
5 seconds. Ready spike.
Come northwest muna.
Care. Shaper.
Come northwest. Nandito sa southeast yung ano. Yung sino yan? Militant.
Militant.
Chill.
Yo, I can engage southeast. Blink. You can. Ready.
Perfect.
10 seconds, spike. 10 seconds.
Perfect lang.
Taking
5 seconds, 5.
Patingin lang sa
Okay,
Ready spike.
Yung Fika, broken na yung Fika. Broken na to, 1v1 na lang to. Nag-southwest na yung Fika.
Come southeast. Oh wait.
Gusto mo ikat ng castle?
Flip na lang natin to.
Can cap ng asset. Cap.
That's yun lang yung barrel.
Let us speak mounted. Charlie Bell, Arzen. Sayang.
Wala.
Southwest ito.
Background. Everybody north. On the tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the tank. Nasaan yung tank? Nice one. Comes out.
Goods pa tong militant ha. Lalabang pa to yung militant.
By D-tanks, be careful.
Southwest.
Come inside castle. Come inside lang muna.
Full gel, itlokan nyo.
Sige.
Asan yung Lord? Di pa nag-respawn yung Lord?
Location sila.
Be careful.
Shaper stacking, southwest.
Baby, southwest. Engaging.
Go north lang kayo. Chill. Go north.
Next ah.
Head ba tayo ha? Be ready. DPS, be ready. We head ba tayo? Just spread. We head ba? Use on the guards. Head ba tayo ha? Just chill.
Okay, carry na Gindi ah.
Just chill. Okay.
Stepping up.
West, Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West. At the gate. Let's drop everything. Okay, nabalog.
Medyo malayo.
Heal and spread. They're walking in. Northwest spread. Huwag kayo mag-load room. Northwest and
Ex-demon
spread.
ah, demon on set up ah. Kata-kata eh.
Mauna cooldown natin guys. Spread kayo na spread.
Shaper, engaging.
5 seconds, spike, 5.
Engaging sila. Nag-miss.
Spike ready.
Everybody. Southeast, Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A little bit deep. Can we kill? Nice one, good shit. Come northwest again.
Looking, spread.
Spread.
You're looking northwest on the choke. You're looking
Step now. Pass. Now walk in. 7 seconds. Just roll.
Pico. Wala demon.
Southeast, Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Shoot. Bang! Putang ina.
Nice.
Good shit. And spread.
My duty.
May bam. Come in. And spread.
Bandad sa hold bar spread.
Pico.
5 seconds, boys. 5 seconds. Ready. East. 5 seconds. East. Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A little bit deep on the... Okay.
Counter tayo.
Good.
Very good. They're dying. They're broken. Nag-split na sila. Chase. They're broken. Tumatakbo northeast yung iba. Chase, full chase, boys. Full chase. Patay na yan.
Yung color nila dito yung color nila. Sa akin, southwest.
Yung castle pa, bantay.
Southwest lang, Perd. Southwest lang.
We just wanted a content. We don't want the charot.
Nasa si Knight.
Southwest sa akin, boy. Southwest. Paki, ang top na yan. Wala.
Oh, pag lakas pala natin sa small scale, nakakasok tayo na madaming cooldowns. Bakit sa hindi? Sa
May naval ba ako dito?
Ilot pa dito.
Kailangan na natin alam yan. Mas magaling talaga tayo pag small.
I-flip naman na, boy. Get
Trip sa castle kasi may bumabalik sa castle eh.
Okay.
Come back, boys. Come back.
Huwag nyo nahabulin. Pag-isa lang yan, guys. Okay, come to the Lord room.
Hindi naman pala mahirap pag-healer eh.
Kailangan nyo.
May Arzen, naka-millicomp ka. So, may times talaga na pagka nag-double dash in ka, mahirap talaga abutin pre pagka marunong yung D-tanks.
Tawag dito.
Pa-walk in ka muna pagka ganun.
Ang
Full walking
napansin
ka
ko
muna.
ay kailangan nyo na magaling na second slamter. Kasi, ang nangyari kanina, boy, kada mag-headbutt, kada mag-engage ka, kinakras ko lang. Kasi
Headbutt natin dun. Sarap mo dyan. Sarap mo mag-setup dyan.
Diba ang unat natin? Yo, Ratbu and Katakata, when I say my demon next, huwag kayong mag-aangat. Dito pa lang tayo nagko-coms, ligaw na kayong dalawa eh.
Pinox ako.
Yay! We have loot! Yay! We have
Nagsasabay yung tatlong demon eh. Never do that.
Ang dami na
Dito. Open yan.
let the officers loot, guys. Let the officers loot. Or let the people with officers.
Yung castle lang yan.
Trade ko sa'yo, Alpha.
Silit nga.
Uy, 10M.
Pwede na.
Hindi sana ikaw na nag-loot eh, para nakapag-arback tayo, no?
Oo, ano.
Gago na
No? Totoo.
Ako,
Wala, binigyan niya sa akin.
Pag siguro nagsimula ka na mag-countdown na 5-4, huwag mo na siguro i-cancel pagka...
Huwag mo na i-cancel. Pagka nakapag-score ka na, i-commit mo na.
tumaas na ako.
Yun nga, nalilito. Mali ko din yun. Di ako
Umangat na ako.
Bakit? No. Don't try me, bro. We're gonna...
Nabobo ako doon. Nabobo ako. May panday.
Akala ko talaga mamamatay ng Arvin eh. Tango lang yan. Nabuhay.
Oo, akala ko din. Nakaka-cleric.
Tara.
1 HP.
Tara. Balik na tayo guys. We have to upgrade na the loots. Let's go.
Napipindot niyo yung cleric.
At least napipindot yan na yung cleric.
Nakapindot na nila ng cleric ngayon, boy.
Muntik na boss. Di
Kasi
matanggal.
control siguro every 8 UTC ikaw na lang, no?
Hello.
Tama.
Wala pa akong tulog boss. Galing pa ako ng work.
Ito na scoreboard niya sa Pika, na scoreboard.
Ang pasarap ng tulog.
Totoo.
Hindi, 3 losses na tayo sa Fika, di ba?
Day 2-3.
Yung kung nakalapit yung
Isa pa.
Bawi na. Okay, militant down. Pwede na?
From Northwest.
Tawag dito.
Anong kulang ng militant?
Ewan ko, boy, ang dali nilang basahin. Sobrang,
Siya yung nagbibigay. Kaya nagbibigay ng engage nila.
sobrang, tawag dito.
Madali pa yung engages nila eh. Ewan ko ba? O sadyang magaling lang yung clamp tank natin ay shit.
Wag, lumalaki ulo ko. Titigas ko.
Ito is legit. Kahit tapos i-engage natin, yung demons natin, magre-react pa rin kayo. Muntik mo one-shot si Arzen kanina, paano na lang kung hindi ako yung locus, di ba?
Uy, laki ng ulo, gago.
Yan lang gusto ko, boy. Yan lang gusto ko.
Laki ng
Grabe
ulo.
din
Hindi, totoo lang. Paano na yun, di ba?
dito. Nakakabati.
Oo.
Yan, okay lang lumaki ulo pagkatapos ng laban, tas panalo, no? Pero pag talo,
Ay, talo, wait lang.
quiet mo na.